Whether you're setting up a home network or office wiring, the 100-meter limit on Ethernet cables is a real pain. Today, I'll show you 3 affordable, easy-to-use solutions to break through this barrier. First, the simplest solution is to use an RJ45 inline coupler to physically connect 2 Ethernet cables, theoretically extending the distance. This coupler costs only a few dollars. It's very cheap. But you should be warned, performance drops fast beyond 120 meters. There may be serious packet loss, but it's great for quick fixes though. The second solution is to use a switch as a repeater. Use the signal amplification function of the switch and use the Ethernet cable for segmented transmission, letting you theoretically reach up to 200 meters total. We can choose an unmanaged Ethernet switch. Just connect device A to the switch with one cable, then connect the switch to device B with another cable. This works perfectly for older buildings where running fiber isn't an option. The third solution is to use fiber media converters to extend your Ethernet connection. By using a copper to fiber media converter to convert electrical signals to optical signals and then to electrical signals, the transmission distance can be extended up to 40 kilometers. We can use Ethernet cables to connect the device A and converter A's RJ45 port and do the same for device B to converter B. Then plug SFP+ modules into both converters' fiber ports. Finally, connect the 2 converters with a fiber cable. When all the lights turn on, you're good to go. Now your network can reach dozens of kilometers. So there you have it, 3 solid solutions to extend your network. Which one works best for you? Here's a quick guide. Grab a coupler for quick short-distance fixes, use a switch for medium-range needs, or go with fiber converters for maximum distance and reliability. Whether you're setting up at home or managing office IT, we've got you covered. Ready to upgrade? Head to qsfptech.com. We offer all these media converters and switches, plus custom solutions tailored just for you. Our team's standing by to help.